we make with all these fresh strawberries? We should make a strawberry pie. Let me watch the strawberries. While Olivia's cutting the strawberries, I'm going to make the pie crust. Let me do the butter. Now we're going to put the powdered sugar. We're going to cream the butter and sugar. Our butter and sugar is ready. Now we're going to pour in the flour. It's ready. Now we're going to put it in the pan. Let's pat it down. Now it's time to bake it. Now I'm going to smash some strawberries for the glaze. I'm done, and now my mom's going to cook up the glaze. Our pie crust is ready, and now we're going to mix the strawberries with the glaze. Now our pie is done. Now we're going to put the homemade whipped cream. I'm going to make the whipped cream. Now that I have my powdered sugar, time to add the whipped cream. The whipped cream is ready. Now I'm going to put it in the bag. The whipped cream is in the bag. Now we're going to pipe on the pie. Here's our pie. Follow us for more recipes. Yeah!